Hi all, I'm going to deliver a few words about the architect of modern India, that is, our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. Motilal Nehru and Swarup Rani were the parents of the great Chachaji. Nehru's birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day in the country as a tribute to his contribution towards building the nation. He was fondly called Chacha Nehru and Chachaji for his love for kids. His affection for children is well recognized and appreciated, and thus the day is celebrated as Children's Day. Chachaji's love and affection towards the children was widely known. He was very fond of children and always liked to be with children. Thus, people lovingly call him as Chachaji. As his father, Nehru became a good politician and a great freedom fighter. He bravely ruled the broken India and paved the foundation of a modern India. Thus, he is considered the architect of modern India. He presented the objective resolution and later it taken as the preamble of Indian Constitution. Thus, he considered as the father of preamble of Indian Constitution. According to him, children are the future of our nation. Shows his expectation and belief in children. Children are the citizens of tomorrow. Every child has a lot of innate capabilities. Childhood is the most memorable period in everyone's life. Thus, allow children to be happy in their own way. Children are just like blooming buds in the garden. We should nurture with care and love. Chachaji had a great vision about children and their future. He designed a perfect education policy for the future generation. He established national science laboratories and IITs for the purpose of modernizing Indian science and technology. After becoming the Prime Minister of India, he tried to modernize the nation and heal the wounds of partition. He stood for a secular nation which all religions live with perfect harmony. He was a prolific writer too. His works like Glimpses of World History, Discovery of India are capable of changing the hearts and minds of readers. In this Children's Day, we should remember the great soul Chacha Nehru. On this occasion, we have to pledge a safe and secure future of our children and let them fly high. I wish a memorable Children's Day to all my dear kids. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you.